defense, and military. In addition to providing the framework for designing new technologies and weapons or solutions to logistic problems. In a state of war, there's also a mathematical equations going on their brigade officer. The military tacticians are the ones who are behind all those strategic plan. It allows the medical troops to access the war zone for the injured soldiers and civilians, and how they will bomb the enemy's fortress. So, for example, they calculate the distance covered before launching an attack. In military, they use statistics and probability. So, to measure the number of troops and the possible outcomes when they start to launch an attack. This is an example of military weapons. As you can see, there's an aircraft, bomb, headgear, uniform, bullets, machine guns, rifles, aircrafts, tanks, and military vehicles, and including their foods. So let's go back to the statistics and probability. An example of this is the SAF 44, or the Fallen Heroes. SAF is an elite unit of PNP. In this situation, we can see the results of statistics and probability. In statistics, there are 44 soldiers died, then the outcome is that they killed the high-profile rebel named Marwan. But in exchange for that, 44 fallen heroes died. In statistics, the military are outnumbered by the rebel groups, plus the fact that they entered their territory. Frankly speaking, the former president and commander-in-chief at that time did not execute the plan well. In the modern era, the highly industrialized countries use atomic bombs or nuclear bombs. This is not an ordinary bomb, so atomic bombs are used for huge destructions. Atomic bombs are made through mathematical equation and also through the help of science. This was first used during the World War II when US bombed the Nagasaki and Hiroshima in Japan. Naval ships, jet planes, aircrafts are also modernized through the use of mathematical equation and scientific research. So since July 16, 1945, when the nuclear bombs are first being used, up until now, the new discovery of weapons, rifles, submarines, warships, jet planes, and other military warships are being modernized through the use of scientific research and through mathematical basis.